Let us start a new topic, displacement reaction. Displacement in place of other. તમારી જગ્યાએ કોઈને બેસવું હોય તો તમારે ખસી જવું પડે તો કોઈ બીજો વ્યક્તિ ત્યાં બેસી શકે. એવી જ રીતે કંઈક ડિસ્પ્લેસ ખસી જવું, બરાબર છે? જેવી રીતે ક્રિકેટ મેચમાં 12મો ખેલાડી હોય છે એવી રીતે. See here, in chemical language, displacement reaction is what? If an element is more reactive than other element, then highly reactive element displace the less reactive element. Powerful element હોય એ બીજા low power વાળા element ને એની જગ્યાએથી displace કરી નાખે. As for example, suppose take copper sulfate solution in a beaker. Copper sulfate solution, the color of the copper sulfate solution is blue. So sometimes it is also known as blue vitriol. If you take some iron nail and drop into the copper sulfate solution plus copper sulfate, then iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces copper. Iron copper ne khasedi nakhse, and FeSO4 is produced, ferrous sulfate, copper is released. Same manner, zinc when reacts with copper sulfate, you will get zinc sulfate and copper is displaces by zinc. Okay, you have seen if you take a copper sulfate solution in a beaker, add iron nail in it, keep it as it is on the table without disturbing it, means undisturbing. After some time you will notice that iron comes over the copper, means green solution is produced. That means a blue vitriol, blue color copper sulfate solution changes into green color. It shows that displacement occur. Now iron nail is covered with copper. Black color of iron nail is not seen. You can see red color of copper on the iron nail. Similarly this one, similarly lead when reacts with copper chloride, then lead chloride is formed and copper is released. This is the displacement reaction. Now double displacement reaction is also there. Double displacement, 2 times. Here only copper is displaced by its highly reactive elements. Now sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, when reacts with barium chloride, BaCl2, see what happens when it is heated. Sodium sulfate when reacts with barium chloride, sodium displaces barium and at the same place barium displaces sodium. So sodium chloride is formed and barium sulfate is formed. Sodium chloride and barium sulfate is formed. Try to balance Na2 and Cl2, so multiplied here by 2, 2Na2Cl. This is called double displacement. 2 times displacement happen. Here only single, here double displacement is formed. Now most important of this chapter is oxidation and reduction. You have learned in 9th standard. Oxidation means what? Adding of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or releasing of electron is called oxidation reaction. Opposite to this is reduction reaction. That is called adding of hydrogen, removal of oxygen and gaining of electron is called reduction reaction. So some reactions are there in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed, known as oxidation. In opposite to this, in some reactions, hydrogen is added and oxygen is removed. That is called reduction reaction. And suppose in some reaction, if both the reaction takes place together, then it is known as redox. R-E-D-O-X. Redox. Combining of oxidation and reduction. As for example, copper when reacts with oxygen gives you copper oxide. 2. Here oxygen is added. Simply it is known as oxidation reaction. Copper oxide when reacts with hydrogen, then it gives you copper plus water when it is heated. So here substance gain hydrogen, oxygen gain hydrogen. Gaining of hydrogen, that is called reduction reaction. Gaining or addition of hydrogen. Now see, when copper oxide reacts with hydrogen, copper and water is formed, you can say that hydrogen forms water, means hydrogen gained oxygen, addition of oxygen. So this reaction is known as oxidation. And copper release the oxygen. Copper release the oxygen and form only copper. So this is called reduction. So we can write or we can say that the reaction here in which both reaction takes place, oxidation and reduction. So this reaction is also called redox reaction. Some other examples are also there, as for example, zinc oxide reacts with carbon, zinc is formed, oxygen is removed, carbon dioxide is formed, removal of oxygen, then it is called reduction. Manganese dioxide, MnO2, when reacts with hydrochloric acid, then manganese chloride is formed and water is released. So oxygen reacts with hydrogen and form water, that is called oxidation. Here manganese dioxide release the oxygen, then it is called reduction. So this reaction is known as redox. This is also called redox reaction. Is it okay? Redox reaction. Now, the last topic of your lesson, corrosion and density. You know that when oxygen is added, if oxygen is added in any reaction, in any substance, and if the substance, suppose substance is food, and if this food substance is, its smell changes, suppose it is deteriorate, right? We said this is called rancidity. You have seen in your kitchen some oil, it takes changes after cooking many times. Sometimes some foodstuffs also change its taste. Sometimes it changes color also. Then it is called rancidity. Why? Because we kept it for a long time, and during this it reacts with oxygen of air and it changes the taste, it changes the color, it changes the nutrients, it changes the nutrient value also. means some fatty substance are produced, and that's why it is called rancidity. Another word is corrosion. You know about corrosion. When corrosion means what? When metal, any metal, it is not necessary that there is only iron. When iron corrodes, it is called rusting. Rusting of iron, rust is produced. Here the rust is Fe3O4XH2O. X means number of atom of water in atmosphere. So Fe3O4 is XH2O is the formula of rust when iron is rusting. Any metal when reacts with water and change its property, then it is called corrosion. Because of corrosion, there is a loss of money in industries also. Okay, sometimes rusting of silver is also produced. Rusting of iron is very well known. Corrosion causes the damage to car bodies also, bridges also, some iron railing, ships, and all object which is made up of metal. So we have to protect it against it. Many methods are there. These methods are not in your course, so don't worry about it. That's it for your first chapter. Have a good time.